welcome back to my channel. Oh my goodness, we have reached 1,000 subscribers. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it, you guys. I reached it on January 3rd, and oh my goodness, I was in shock. I am not monetized. I will put it here, my watch hours. So if you guys could please play my playlist every day if you can, so my watch hour goes up, because it's going down since I haven't been posting. I've been so busy, but I'm hoping to post as much as I can, so I can get those watch hours going. I'm excited to share with you guys my 3 binder. So my binder, my cash binder, and my little planner, which I'm so pumped about. But let's go ahead and get started with the little planner. It is in A5. I'm obsessed. So it's something as the first time ever. Also, guys, don't forget to give me a thumbs up starting today. Happy Sunday, by the way. Starting today, every thumbs up equals $1, and I will be saving that towards the end of the year to see how much money I save by each thumbs up. So yeah, anyways, so this is an A5 binder, and it's my little planner. I am obsessed. Ta-da! So it says 2025 new beginnings. So I'm gonna go over. There are the same thing in every little tab, which is for every month. But here's my little cute little dashboard. Everything I got on Canva. So yeah, so I have a cute little pink bow and my melody with the cute little star clip. Hello Kitty, because you guys know I love Hello Kitty. So yeah, so 2025 new beginnings. I have an overview of the months here, which is so cool. Everything, like I said, is from Canva. And then here I have my debt balance. So as of December 14, 2024, my balance is $7,802.06, and every so often I will update it. So I'm hoping to become debt free this year, which I am so excited about. I know I will, and God's willing. Knock on wood. All right, so here is January. Here is basically what I'm going to have for every month. Just, of course, every month's gonna be different. Everything, like I said, is from Canva. I'm basically only going to use this towards how much money I make every day and my day off and stuff like that. And this is just a tanda. If you're Hispanic, you know what that is. I'm sorry, I'm not really good at explaining this. I have explained it before, and some of you guys didn't get it, but so I'm just not gonna explain it, and that's it. So today is the 5th, so the 10th will be out. That means that there's only 2 more left, and I should be done with that. But yeah, anyways, so that's January. And then I have an expense tracker for every month, because remember, we're doing a no spend month for 2025. This year I only have Walmart 2 times. I bought some boxes for me to ship for some goodies for some friends, and then this Walmart nail items is basically I ran out of like acetone, cottons, and my little nail clipper broke and stuff like that, so I bought that, and that is for basically every month. Hi, and like always, Dylan has woke up. It never fails. So hold on, guys. So here's February, and the cute little tab dividers, I got them on Etsy. Super cute, love it. Same thing, expense tracker. March, super cute. And then the expense tracker. Then we have April, love it. Expense tracker. May, and then expense tracker. June, expense tracker. So I'm gonna be dedicated for this year, July, for me to write everything down where my money goes. And I still do not have my car, guys. No car yet. We're hoping for this week. They said that everything was fine, and then September, and then the problem is that the airbag did not go away from the little dashboard. I mean, from the little dash from the car. So now they have to take it to Honda, that little piece, for them to check to see. Hold on, husband is calling every time, you guys. It never fails. Never fails. All right, we have October, and then with the expense tracker, we have November. You're gonna hear Dylan cry because he's just gonna throw a fit because Early in the morning, expense tracker. That's the mom life, okay? December and expense tracker. So there's that for my little planner. Binder. He's so upset because his iPod is dead. We did not charge his iPod. So oopsies. All right. You guys, sometimes I just want to run away. And get away sometimes. God, give me patience. Okay, be right back. We're gonna do the rest. Alrighty, guys. So the other binder is gonna be my bill binder. I'm sorry, you guys. You guys had to see that. That's how it is sometimes. You know, life be life, feeling like that. What can I do, right? What can I do? Okay. Anyways, bills binder. This is the only thing that I pay or help out. As in half of the bill. Everything else my husband buys, like groceries, stuff like that. You name it, any adventure, he pays for, like everything. This is the only thing I contribute towards bills. Okay, that's it. All right, so here we go. I don't have much, I'll be honest with you. So we have Alabama Power for $60. This changes, so we just kind of did like in an amount that kind of equals almost like it, but it goes up and down every time. So this is just what we think is perfect for me to help out. So Alabama Power for $60. We have Eric's bed for $40. We got him a bed a few months ago, maybe like 3-4 months ago. He needed a new bed, and we were able to get 0 interest for a certain year. I think it was like 2 years, if I'm not mistaken, or 1. I can't remember exactly, but it's 0 interest. And for $40, 40 me, 40 Alex, so that's not bad per month, which is pretty cool. So Eric's bed, I did my envelopes, so don't mind it, they're not perfect, okay? Because I told myself I was not gonna spend any money for 2025. I was so close buying some envelopes from this specific person on Instagram, and I feel bad I did not go through. But anyways, the gas bill for $86. This is my insurance. I'm not sure how much is gonna go up this month since I crashed almost a month and a half ago, but $144 for my insurance, which is not bad. Full insurance, okay? Full insurance. And then last but not least, rent for $500. So basically I'm gonna stuff this throughout the month. Hopefully I stuff this faster before my cash binder here for my bills, for my saving challenges. The thing is about this, I'm gonna pay Alex the first week of every month. So he's gonna pay all the bills whenever they're due, and I'm gonna pay all of this the first week of that month, which helps me out a lot, because it's just he pays for it first, and then yeah, so that's that. All right. And then last but not least is my saving challenge binder, which I'm hoping I can cash stuff more than usual after I finish my bills, of course. But here I did take off a few challenge because I just told myself it's 2025. Let's not go with so many old challenges, even though they were not even halfway. But that money, it was around 200 and something, and I did put that towards my debts. So that helped out. So here is the new cash staffing binder for saving challenges, which will go towards my my debts. Give me 1 second, guys. I forgot something. I had to put some envelopes that I forgot. All right, so first thing first is this challenge here from Easy Budgets. My envelopes are from Easy Budgets on Instagram. This one is a challenge for $300, which I'm so excited about. She gifted me this when I bought her envelopes, and this was a few months ago. Next is my little challenge here, flower. I have to color one of them. I created this one, which is so cute. It's for $90, which is nice. Next is a Christmas challenge scratch off here from A Little of It All. You guys have seen it. If you haven't, it's a cute little bag, like Santa Christmas bag. Next, I have a little mini challenge here, which is so cute, from Esmo Budget. I love it, for 25 bucks. I have a little Happy Fun, which you guys have seen. This is the only money I will save for me to buy anything that I'm allowed to for this year from the shops that, you know. And then this one here is just a clear envelope, and this is, oops, sorry guys, this is for me to put any money that I want for anything in general, that I need or gift or anything like that. Okay, so it's not for any specific, so it's just in general. We have this challenge here, the little Pokemon challenge. It is so cute. I will save 160 because each icon is $5 from Katie, the fancy dollar. And then this is a Hello Kitty saving challenge. Each icon is $6, so $90. It is also from the fancy dollar. I have the little happy birthday, which I don't think I will complete this year, but you never know, right? This one is for 120, and it's from the fancy dollar. So cute. My birthday is on August. Then I have the little cute Halloween one, which I have not started. It is for $10 each icon, so 150. Not this is not for Halloween, it's just in general. And then Christmas, this is definitely for Christmas. This one is for 147, and it's the fancy dollars. I just think it's so cute. Then here I have the little koi, the fish envelopes. They are funky looking, and that's because I had them in the window and it's cold, but they will go back to regular, trust me, I know. So this is for Dylan. It's just for me to start saving for his, just in general savings. Same with Eric for general savings. And then last but not least, Alex. I need to save for him, just in general, for anything. So yeah, so those are all my binders, you guys. Not a lot of binders, which is good. I was thinking of adding one more binder, but I didn't want to put too much pressure on myself for like smaller challenges. But yeah, so there you go, guys. There you have it. Those are my cute little fun little binders that I have going on for 2025, and I am so excited to see where this takes me. Finger crossed everything goes great this year. But yeah, all right guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.